Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 23C, page number 320. So, in this exercise, we will, by the help of piece of papers, we will make the three-dimensional figures. So, first of all, the term is used nets. A nets of a three-dimensional figure is a diagram of the surface of this figure that can be folded or cut out a plain piece of paper to form the three-dimensional figure. It means that we will, by the help of this that is called that you can say that is the graph paper or the centimeter square paper. There is a grids are there, so on that we will draw this square shapes. Means that in the such a way we have to draw that whenever we will fold it, so that we can form the three-dimensional figure. So likewise you can see this number a, this shape can be folded to form a cube. So if you will fold it, so you can make the cube. So this is a net of cube. So this is this particular formation, this is called the net of the cube. This is the net of cube. Okay, but here you can see this is the shape cannot be folded to form a cube. So it is not this is not a net of cube, because whenever you will fold it, you will not get the cube. Means that the all the these folding lines through which these lines are forming, so this lines makes the net. Okay, so that is your nets. Now, next we have, this is the identify a three-dimensional figure from a net. So like these nets are there, you can just identify this. This is here, actually this example you can see, this is the net of cuboid. Okay, you can form the cuboid. This is for the cone. This is for the cube. Okay, so here is that pentagonal prism. Here is triangular pyramid, cylinder. Okay, so likewise these are the nets to form this three-dimensional figure. So how to draw it? Drawing the net of a cube. So the steps to that, you have to take the grid of centimeter square paper sheet. This is the sheet of paper. Okay, now here is the this set is actually we are also saying this graph paper. Stick on this heavy paper. So on this, by the help of this, by measure it equal size and take the hard little bit hard paper and paste on this. Now cut and fold. Okay, so from here you can cut it. Okay, this paper you can cut out, and then after you can fold it, so you will get the cube. Okay, so this activity you can do by yourself, or you can do the by putting the numbers, like writing 1 2 3 4 5, means that it will be easy to fold from where you will start and from where it will be end. So likewise you can do it. Okay, so these are the some activity, so you can try it. You can paste on this graph paper and you can try to fold it, so you will get the some formation, like this is the formation for the cone. Okay, so you can try it. This can you get triangular pyramid. Okay, so here is that this is the means this on this net you can form these things. Actually this paper is called isometric dot paper. Okay, this is the isometric dot paper. Okay, this is your isometric dot paper. Okay, so on this also you can form. So now we can use isometric dot paper, draw three-dimensional shape. Okay, so by the help of this also you can draw. So now we will solve the exercise 23C. Here question number 1, name the different planes shapes needed to draw the net. So which kind of shapes are needed? So that is on the net, which kind of shape you will use. So to draw the cube we need the squares. Okay, so like a triangular prism, we will need the triangle and rectangle. We need the triangle and as well as rectangle to draw this net. Here is rectangular prism, so you need the only rectangles. Okay, so write the rectangles. You can write here rectangles. Okay, triangle, and here is that you have to draw the cylinder, so you need the circle. Okay, you need the circle and rectangle. Okay, you need the circle and rectangle. Okay, so likewise you can do number 5 is that triangular pyramid, so you need the triangles to draw it, the net of this triangular pyramid. Now number 2, name the three-dimensional figure that can be made from the given net. So which kind of shapes it will be formed? So from this shape you can form the triangular pyramid. You can form the triangular pyramid. Okay, this is the triangular pyramid. You can find out, you can form. Here is by the help of this you can form the cylinder. You one will put here, one here it will put, so you can form the cylinder. Okay, so you can form here cylinder. Next, number 3, by this you can form the cube. Already we have discussed. Here we can form the this one. This is for the cone. Okay, we can form the cone. Here number 5, by the this number 5 you can form the cuboid. Okay, so we here you can write, you can form the cuboid. Here is number 6. Number 6 you can see, this is the for the cube. Okay, so this is the formation. So this is the formation for cube. Here also this is for the cube also. Okay, both number 3 and number 6 is for the cube. Okay, so likewise you can do. Next we have this number 3, which of the following figures is not a net or cube. Okay, so which one is not, so that you have to explain. So this one is not a cube. Okay, this one, why? Because whenever you will fold, the shape will be overlapped. When you will fold, shaded faces will overlap. So here it will be overlap. Okay, so this is not the, because actually this here this two will be overlap. Okay, this portion, okay, and this portion will be overlapped. Okay, rest is okay. This is okay, this is also you can form, but by the help of this it is not possible. So this is the, for this is the answer. Number 4, fold the faces of a given net of cube to form a cube. Okay, so how to form the cube? So you have to write the numbers. So fold in a such a way that number 2 lie opposite 4 and 3. For this you have to do it like this, that number 2 should be lies opposite of number 4 and 3. Okay, this should be opposite of 2. And 5 and 1, this 5 and 1 will be the opposite of number 6. Okay, so likewise you have to fold it. So in such a way you can try this. Number 2, this number 5 you have to draw the dimension. So on the sheet, that net you have to take the dimensions like 4 by 4, means 4 centimeters you have to take. So likewise you have to draw it on the sheet. You can use the graph paper, that net. Okay, so on that you can do. So this is a summary of chapter 23. Just you can check that. This is the Euler's formula. B minus E minus B stands for vertices, E for edges, F for face, and that's whenever you will solve it, it should be equals to 2. Okay, so this is the revision exercise. You go through it and try to solve this all exercise. Okay, like dash has two circular base. What will be the answer? Cylinder. The net of triangular pyramid has all its faces as it is a triangle. A cube has dash edges. Its answer will be 12. Okay, a square pyramid has dash as its a base. A square will be the its a base. Okay, a diagram of 3D can be folded to form 3D, that is called net. Just now we have studied. Okay, so likewise you can do it. Exercise, revision exercise. You go through all the questions and solve it. Okay.